Hi everyone, this is Christy with the Element Bath and Body here in Dallas. Thank you and welcome to the new subscribers, and thank you and welcome back to the returning viewers and subscribers. In today's video, we will be making honeycomb soap. I normally use raw Texas honey for this particular soap. It is the only soap that I make that is not vegan, but in today's video, I am making soap for one of my private label customers, and he specifically requested vegan products. So I will not be using honey in the recipe. I will instead use sugar like I normally do in my soap recipes. Sugar and honey help to add to the lather of your homemade soaps or natural soaps, but you also have to be super careful because they cause the batter to heat up, which means it can accelerate trace, and so you don't have a lot of time to work with it with lots of swirls and things. So just want to put that out there in case you decide to start adding sugar or honey to your soaps. I will be showing the actual prep work that goes into making the honeycomb soap. I used to make it this way years ago, and then I stopped just because I was being lazy and wanted to do the whole dusted with oatmeal on top, but I really didn't like that look. So I went back to the way that I like to make it. It's a little bit more labor intensive and it requires a few steps, but I like the way it looks, so I went back to it. As for the pattern that you will see that I use when I make the melt and pour soap to make the actual honeycomb design, a lot of soapers use bubble wrap to make their honeycomb design. I found these in a Habitat for Humanity's restore years ago, probably 5 or 6 years ago, if not longer than that. They're silicone pot holders, but they have this lovely honeycomb pattern on them. And so I got, this one has larger honeycombs and this one has a finer comb texture to it. And so I use turmeric in clear melt and pour soap in varying degrees. So I might add just a pinch of turmeric and then heat some more and add a little bit more so that I get varying shades of yellow to mimic what you would get if you were getting natural honey. Sometimes it's a little bit darker, depending on what the bees have eaten, it changes. So I wanted to mimic that in my pattern, and so that's why I do it that way. All right, I will see you on the other side.